Hey, Alexis here from Persialoo. I have a brand new crochet pattern to share with you guys today. It's my twist front crochet headband. It's easy, it works up quickly because it's that nice thick yarn, chunky stitches, and it will keep your ears stylishly warm this winter. It's technically a headband, but it's thick enough. It's almost like a messy bun hat as well, so you can definitely rock that messy bun with this. And yeah, you guys ready to get crocheting? Okay, for this pattern, you are going to need a number 6 super bulky yarn. I am using the All Things You super bulky wool blend. You will also need a size M or 9mm crochet hook. All right, let's get going. Step 1 is to work a chain of 46 stitches. When you have your chain done, you are going to work a half double crochet stitch into the 3rd chain from your hook. And then a half double crochet in each remaining chain for a total of 44 half double crochet stitches. Then turn your work, chain 2, and then working in the back loops only, and that little tidbit working in the back loops only is what gives you the ribbed look. You're going to half double crochet in each of the stitches, again for a total of 44 half double crochet stitches. You're going to repeat this for rows 3 through 5. So when you're done, you'll have a total of 5 rows, and you need to make 2 of these rectangular ribbed pieces. When you have both pieces crocheted, it's time to assemble your headband. Start by wrapping the 2 pieces around each other and then lining up the ends on either side of the twist. Then you want to overlap the 2 ends, and then you're just going to use your yarn needle and a length of yarn to stitch through those pieces with them slightly overlapped to keep that ribbed look. And it is going to look like it's one continuous piece. You're going to do both sides stitched together this way. And then you basically will have one long, wide, rectangular piece with a twist in the middle. And then at this point, all that's left to do is bring the 2 ends together to form a loop and then sew those closed. And that's it. Your cute headband is all done and ready to wear and keep your ears toasty warm. If you liked the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more patterns and craft tutorials. Until next time, happy making, bye!